Today, I took the worst possible loss that you can take as a day trader. It's the worst. Now, I'm going to talk about why it's the worst and basically what went on. Took the max loss in my Express Fund account yesterday. We had an $8,000 day in each account today. We're walking away $3,000 in the loss per account. All right, so when I say stupid stuff, what I'm referring to is, let's say we take one good trade at open. We had two good trades at open. We made money on two trades right out of the gates. We were up like $5,000. Awesome. Bam, bam, bam. Let's go, right? We're up on the day. We're happy. We get aggressive. And then guess what happens? The market then goes down here to our level that we identified. Kind of missed out on this big short down. Just really wasn't, I don't know, just didn't take that big move down. We got down to this level. And then I'm like, okay, well, you know, what's going to happen? And we end up just chopping. I mean, we were chopping sideways. And we were stuck in this range. And I know deep down, like I know the rule, like don't trade the chop, stay out of the sideways action, Patrick, stay out of it. And that's easier said than done. It's just easier said than done, right? It's easy to look at this in hindsight and be like, oh, well, I should have not done that. But when you're in the moment, when you're looking at the trades, when you're looking at the market, you're like, really like looking at it, you're like, okay, well, maybe it's gonna pop. Oh, it's gonna pop, right? It's gonna pop up. Okay, it's gonna drop. It's gonna pop, and you start basically creating like reasons to why you should get in because you think it's gonna finally move out of this chop zone. And before you know it, if you're trading 15 contracts, it's very easy to basically just blow up whatever profit you have and then hit your max loss on the day. Which today, that's exactly what I did. I hit my max loss on the day. And the worst part is, like I said, I was up over $5,000 like per account. I was cruising, had a great morning so far. And then we basically, you know, got into this 10:30 time. It was 10:30 in the morning and we just started going sideways. And I was like, okay, I'm going to walk away. I'm not going to trade. And then I was like, oh, it started looking like it was going to, I was like, it's going to pop. Like it's going to get above 60. It's going to go. And then it gets above 60. It pulls right back down. And I'm like, oh, it's finally going to break to the downside. Okay, fine. It's going to finally break to the downside. And guess what? It then rips back up. So it was just one of those days where I gave back profit, where we made easy money in the morning, which is our goal, right? Trade the easy moves, make the easy money, and then walk away. Like nothing wrong with that. Make money in the morning, walk away, be done. If the market's not giving us setups, why keep trading? And obviously everybody has red days, right? You're going to have red days. It's part of trading. We understand that. There's a reason we have a max loss. The nice thing about the top step accounts is there is a max loss. Like I can't change my max loss. I can't continue to trade and make that hole bigger, which is nice. I do appreciate that fact that I can't keep trading and doing something stupid. So I'm at least limited to the fact that I can pretty much only lose $3,000. And if you look at my P&L, you look at my trades over the last month or so, you see that I have those big days, you know, $9,000, $10,000 days, $20,000 days. So it's okay. Like I'm okay hitting that $3,000 max loss. Totally fine with it. But what I'm not fine with it is the reason that I hit it. Like the why. Like why did I hit my max loss? I was up on the day. I had two really good trades in the morning. We killed it. But the problem is, why did I continue to trade when I knew that the market was chopping, when I knew that I should walk away? Like that's the issue that I have in myself right now. Like that's why I'm so disappointed in myself. Because it's like embarrassing. Like at this point, like Patrick, like how many times do you need to do this to finally be like, okay, I'm no longer going to do that. Like I'm just no longer going to do it. I am no longer going to trade the chop. Like I've got to do something personally, mentally. I don't know what it is. Like I'm going to go for a run after this and I'm going to sit there and just think about it for the next, 24 hours until tomorrow, basically, till the market opens again. And then I'm going to start fresh. But at the same time, it's this learning experience everybody has to go through. I mean, I'm still going through it. 7 years later, I still have a day like today where there is no excuse. There is no excuse for me being in the red right now. Like there is no excuse. But like I said, like I was up 5,000 and then I'm like, I start coming back down. I'm like, well, I got to get it back. Then I put on 15 contracts. Bam, I'm back to zero on the day. And I'm like, are you kidding me? And all I'm thinking about is how I got to get back to 5,000. I get chopped up. And now I'm sitting here making this video. So the lesson, like always, is when you do stupid stuff, when you make stupid choices, you get stupid results. And today is a perfect example of that. Like there is zero excuse. There is no reason that I should be red right now on the day. Like no reason at all. But I did it, and I mean, I got to live with it, and that is part of trading. The point of, you know, obviously we're looking to have bigger winners than our losers, so that's obviously the big focus. Like always, is, you know, we can't be affording to lose more than we're willing to, probably make, or the chance of us. Like if your normal trading day is $1,000 profit, well, you can't afford to lose $10,000 in one day. So at least, you know, we're sticking to the plan, we're following it. We've got the rules with Top Step that keep us from doing that, but at the same time, it's difficult because I know, not that my strategy's wrong, not that I took a bad trade per se. The problem is, like, I just got chopped up and I did stupid shit. Like I took stupid trades, not even like, they're not even part of my strategy. Like the trades that I took were not even part of like my overall strategy. Like, there's no reason I should have taken those trades. Like absolutely zero reason that I should have taken those trades. And I'm sure a lot of people out there watch this video have felt the same way that I feel right now. It's not that I'm mad that I lost money. It's the fact of how I lost it, right? Like I'm just upset with myself because I put this pressure on myself that I want to put up big numbers. But at the same time, it's like when the market's not giving us setups, when the market's going sideways, like what can I do? I can't make the market move. So why am I going to try to force trades when it's just not happening? Like if the market don't want to go higher or don't want to go lower, it's just moving, 5 points, 10 points up and down. It's like, let it be. It's like, leave it alone. When the market's hot, we go. When the market's not, we stay out of it, Patrick. It's easier said than done. I've made this video before, but come on. Oh, it's frustrating. It's so frustrating. Trading is frustrating. I'm being honest with you. 7 years later, I'm still going through it. Still the ups, the downs, the red days, the green days. We're here showing you guys the side of trading that a lot of people don't want to talk about, like the emotional roller coaster that trading is. Today, I should easily be green on the day, but instead I'm red because I made bad choices. I couldn't control myself, and I gave back all my profit trying to basically make something happen when something wasn't actually happening. So there it is. If you guys enjoy these videos, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe button. I'll talk to you guys later on.